In search of a reliable diagnostic tool for your car? Try the THINKCAR ThinkOBD 500 Obd2 code reader. This tool is a must-have for mechanics and car enthusiasts alike. It features a DTC lookup scan tool that checks your engine light and provides comprehensive diagnostics. What sets the ThinkOBD 500 apart is its support for 9 languages, including Polish. If you lack Polish after receiving the product, simply contact the buyer and update the product according to the instructions. Plus, it's updated for free for life. The ThinkOBD 500 supports most cars that support the Obd2 protocol after 1996. However, it may not support all car models, so please consult with our store customer service before purchasing. Get this versatile and essential tool at a special price on our website today.